welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making our own bubble pop slime glue.
Ooh.
Where's the tape?
Cool. Expanding water beads. Huh.
Sodium. And a popsicle stick.
Catch the break. Sugar.
So that is
The lollipop that's been eaten.
by me. And a spoon that we're going to mix with. A cup to drink out of. And some water.
That's not water, that's glue.
It's clear glue, but it's water. Just kidding, it's clear glue.
Okay, first we got to pour 3 cups warm water.
Okay, let's put it in.
Jelly.
Gently.
Okay.
Please drink.
Tasty. Next, we gotta get 1 spoon
Oh, sodium.
of the sugar.
Yeah, sugar. It's actually sodium. Oh.
Ooh.
Do I get a
1
big spoon?
Yeah, you have to fill the spoon all up. Mix it in there until it's all gone. Keep mixing, mix, 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 mix.
Like it's snowing. It's snowing.
The next ingredient is going to be pouring the glue into this empty cup.
Got the glue. Yeet.
All that juice.
All that water. It's water.
Water.
Glue.
Get in there. Okay, you have to spank the top.
You didn't do your job. Okay.
25 milliliters of water in the cup and mix it for 30 seconds.
And how do I mix it?
30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
168 and 30.
9, 30. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, this is gonna be the special sauce. Is you're gonna pour this in there and mix it. Don't do big mixes like this. Not like that. Just short mixes, okay. And then you're gonna take it out with your hands. You have to take a bite.
3, 2, 1.
All of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. Okay, start
Spank it. Spank it. Okay.
Okay, start mixing it.
Gently. How many seconds?
Okay, now take it out. With your hand.
Oh, okay. It's right.
All of it. Get it. Both your hands. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
This
Here,
is
put it in the cup.
Okay, hold on.
No, don't put it in the cup. Don't put it in the cup.
Wait, where do I
Wait,
put it?
I don't know what to do with it. Look at his hair. It's growing. Oh my god. Here, look. Here, give it to me. Ooh, it's like a baby's bottom.
Babies, this is what your body feels like when Dada tells you. Ah! It's controlling its mind. I got some more slime right here. Okay, can I put the Orbeez in?
Okay, fine. I'll hold it and then you do it.
Oh, smush it, smush it. Look how it feels. Ew. How many do I put in?
2.
2? That's not enough. Like 5. That's enough. 1. No, my Orbeez.
Aw. Bye.
2, 3, 4, and the special one.
Here, look, you do it now. Put them in.
5.
Look, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna put them in. You fold it like that and then squish it. Okay? Hey,
Wait.
don't pop out.
Even this side. Get in.
Stick it in there.
You're good. Ah, it's all falling out. Get this blue one. Like witches fold their sandwiches. Ah, keep falling out. All of them are falling out. Let's squish squishy down here. I'm gonna squish.
Hold it.
Oh, this is turning Orby-tastic. You got scared.
It didn't taste like anything.
What?
It tastes cool. Like, taste it.
No!
Oh, I swear. It's so jelly. Look, taste it. Look. Let's put this in. Ah!
I got the best challenge ever. You can't make a bubble with this.
A bubble?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you go first.
The worst.
Eh,
The worst.
eh,
The Orbeez are gonna fall out.
eh.
Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did,
Give it a thumbs up and
comment down below. Subscribe.
And
Smash
smash
that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.